Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to learn about the simple blockchain implementation in Python. Let's get started. In here I have written code, and the aim of this code to create a basic for implementation of blockchain. And for more detail about this aim, number one, to create structure basic block inside of blockchain. Okay, the aim of this code, number one, creating a basic structure block of blockchain. Number two, to get block one. Okay, to resulting block one. Number three, using SHA 256 to make it data safe. Using SHA 256. And number four, the last one, for displaying hash from block genesis. Displaying hash from genesis block. Okay, for make it easy about this, I will give you explanation of this code using analogy. You can imagine to understanding the code of this blockchain. You can imagine blockchain as a book, and you can see inside of the book there are many pages. Okay. Block number one, block likes the page of the book. If you imagine block similar or likes the pages of the book. And for Genesis block likes the first page of the book. Genesis block. And has like a unique signature in every pages of the book. Has, okay, has likes a unique signature on every pages of the book. And previous has like a number pages in the previous page. Okay, previous has the number of page in the previous. And the aim of this code to creating pages 1 or Genesis block inside of this book. After you have written in the first page, you can add pages in the next page. Okay, you can imagine you have a book and then many terms inside of the book. For example, block has Genesis block and previous has. Okay, the concept of this blockchain is very simple. I hope you understand about it. You can imagine blockchain like a book, and book has many pages. On every page has a unique signature, or it means the name of this signature is hash. Hash is a signature unique on every page. So if you have the concept like this, so make it your book is very secure. There is no people can modify, can delete or change data the inside of the book. Blockchain is very secure. There is no people manipulate your data inside of your book. Okay, I think you understand this concept. And next I will explain you this code of blockchain in Python. For number 1, class block, you can see in here until this def underscore init underscore self index previous underscore hash timestamp data hash. I have explained you hash like signature, previous hash, the number of page in the previous and under. Self.index equal index, self.previous underscore hash equal previous underscore hash, self.timestamp equal timestamp, self.data equal data, self.hash equal hash. In the previous, I has explained you block inside of the blockchain like pages inside of the book. And inside of the book there are many item index like the number of pages. Previous hash, it means the signature in the page of previous, and timestamp is a timing as writing data, the content of this book, if any transaction. So all information, it means data, and health, it means a unique signature on every pages. Health. Why this code is very important? Because with the number of page and the signature of page in the previous, so the page cannot be deleted, changed, and anything. So make it your data is very secure. Next, for def calculated index, you can see in here previous underscore health timestamp data return health lib dot sha 256 index previous underscore health timestamp data dot encode hack digits. In here you can see the function of this code, like a sample official, and then on every page receive this unique sample. You can see in here health likes sample, and this sample is created based on index, previous health, timestamp, and data. Index, it means the number of page. Previous health, it means the signature in the previous. And timestamp, it means timing. And the content, you can see in here as data. If any changing of this data, so you can see easily if any changing. You can see any changing easily. Why this code is very important? Because this sample makes sure the original of data on every page. So this is make it prevention from people who want to change this data with sample. So make it your data is so secure. Health, you can imagine health as sample. Next, def creating Genesis block parenthesis return 00 in time Genesis block calculated health Genesis block. Genesis block, you can imagine if you want to create the page for number 1, and starting okay, I think enough for this explanation for this one and this. If you want to request to me to explain this code, you can comment on below of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video. See you next time and goodbye.